Hey everyone, welcome to Helton's Computer Repair. Today I'll be showing you how you can download and install VLC Media Player. Now Windows VLC Media Player is pretty much a multi-format system that allows you to play DVDs, audio files, videos, and it comes with lots of codecs that are used for MKV, WebM, WMV, MP3, so many different type of formats. It's pretty much we're going to try a movie and it tells you this format is not available, that doesn't want to work. So you have to go to Windows 10 and go to purchase on the App Store and see if you pay $10 to get it, or you can download or purchase software like Cyberlink called Power DVD that's out there. You know those things that are usually needed, but this is all open source that will take place. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you do is pretty simple. You can go to any browser you want to choose. I'm going to choose Google Chrome. And from there you can go to the search bar. If not, you get the point. Mine by default is already there. If not, you can go to google.com. And what we're going to do is going to search for VLC player. And then pretty much the first thing you'll see is from their site videoland.org. And here it is. Like if you go to the regular site, you should get to the same location, download VLC. They do have other type of apps, but that's what we're really just looking for, VLC Media Player. Let's go ahead and select download. And from there, you'll come to an option and it should prompt you for it to come up. And here it is. It instantly just did it. If not, you can just click here and I'll download it again. And here's the file. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. It'll probably be prompt for this to come up. Let's go ahead and press yes. And for now, I don't really need the browser anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and just exit out. You have options for different languages. I'm going to leave it as on English for me. And press OK. And here's the welcome screen for the setup. Just press next. You'll have some license agreements. If you want to read them, they're there. I really don't care. I don't have time right now to read them. And you have options if you want to customize your start shortcuts on there. You can put any additional plugins like Media Player, ActiveX plugins. They're very useful for there. And it'll just additional type associations that'll be able to work for it. You'll then press next. We'll choose where you want to install it at. I'm leaving it as the default destination there. And go ahead and press install. And here it is. It's pretty much done. It has the little check button right there if you want to run VLC Media Player. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there and press finish. And it asks us right here if you want to enable privacy and network access policy, allow multimedia metadata network access, regular check for VLC updates. This usually needs sometimes when you have DVDs and stuff for them to work. Sometimes they might have a copyright or something to allow it to come through there. I'm going to go ahead and press continue. And here it is. You have pretty much installed the VLC Media Player. Now there are lots of files this thing can do, and I'll probably make another video on it for you, but for the time being you have VLC Media Player installed. Thanks for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button, but if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description, and for the rest, I will see you on the next video.